Space, the final frontier. For centuries, humans have gazed upon the cosmos with wonder and a yearning to explore the unknown. But venturing beyond Earth requires more than just dreams, it demands rockets. These incredible machines are marvels of engineering, embodying both raw power and delicate precision. They are our vessels to the stars, and their creation is an intricate dance of science, technology, and human ambition. The journey of a rocket, from the drawing board to the launch pad, is a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. It's a story of countless hours spent designing, building, testing, and refining. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, driven by an insatiable curiosity to unravel the mysteries of the universe. In this exploration of rocket manufacturing, we'll delve into the fascinating world of how these complex machines are brought to life. We'll journey through the design studios, factories, and launch facilities, witnessing the meticulous efforts of thousands of individuals who contribute to the success of every mission. From the initial spark of an idea to the thunderous roar of liftoff, we'll uncover the secrets behind these modern-day wonders. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for liftoff as we embark on an extraordinary adventure into the heart of rocket science. Before a rocket can touch the sky, it must first take shape in the minds of engineers. Armed with computers and fueled by imagination, these visionaries transform ambitious dreams into tangible designs. This is where the journey begins. In a world of calculations, simulations, and meticulous planning, the design phase is akin to crafting a puzzle, where each piece, the propulsion system, the structure, the payload, must fit perfectly together. Engineers consider factors like aerodynamics, weight distribution, and structural integrity, utilizing sophisticated software to model and analyze every aspect of the rocket's performance. Countless hours are spent in virtual simulations, testing the rocket's resilience against the unforgiving forces of launch and spaceflight. Every variable, from wind resistance to engine thrust, is carefully calculated and refined to ensure the rocket can withstand the extreme conditions it will face. It's a delicate balancing act of pushing boundaries while adhering to stringent safety margins. The goal is to create a design that is both robust and efficient, a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering pursuit of space exploration. With the blueprint finalized, the construction of the rocket begins. This stage involves transforming digital designs into tangible hardware, a process that requires a symphony of skilled technicians, specialized machinery, and cutting-edge materials. Each component, from the massive engines to the intricate circuitry, is crafted with meticulous care and precision. The heart of any rocket is its propulsion system, a marvel of engineering that generates the immense power required to escape Earth's gravitational pull. Powerful engines, often fueled by a mixture of liquid hydrogen and oxygen, are meticulously assembled, their intricate components carefully inspected and tested. The rocket's structure, typically made from lightweight yet incredibly strong alloys, is another engineering feat. Giant panels are carefully shaped and welded together, forming the rocket's aerodynamic body. Each weld, each rivet, is crucial, ensuring the structural integrity of the vehicle during the intense stresses of launch and flight. Inside the rocket, a labyrinth of wires, pipes, and electronic systems connect the various components. This intricate network serves as the rocket's nervous system, controlling everything from engine ignition to data transmission. The precision and care taken in assembling these systems are paramount, for any error, however small, could have catastrophic consequences. Section 4. Assembling the puzzle, a symphony of technology. The individual components, painstakingly crafted and rigorously tested, are now ready to be brought together. This stage, the final assembly, takes place in massive, pristine, clean rooms where even the tiniest speck of dust can spell disaster. Here, the rocket slowly emerges from a collection of parts into a cohesive whole. Giant cranes, guided by skilled operators, hoist the rocket's massive stages into position. Technicians, clad in protective suits, meticulously connect fuel lines, electrical cables, and data links. Every bolt is tightened to precise specifications, every connection double-checked and triple-checked. As the assembly progresses, the rocket undergoes a battery of tests to ensure all systems are functioning flawlessly. From pressure tests to electrical checks, every aspect of the rocket is scrutinized to ensure it can withstand the extreme conditions of launch. The clean room, normally abuzz with activity, falls silent during these critical tests. Engineers and technicians watch with bated breath as data streams across monitors, indicators light up, and systems hum to life. Every successful test brings them one step closer to seeing their creation soar. Section 5. Ready for launch, final checks and countdowns. The completed rocket, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration, is now ready for its journey to the launch pad. This delicate operation involves transporting the massive structure, often over several miles, to its designated launch complex. Mounted atop a gigantic crawler transporter, the rocket embarks on its final earthly voyage. Moving at a snail's pace, the procession is a spectacle to behold, drawing crowds of onlookers eager to witness this marvel of engineering on the move. Upon reaching the launch pad, the rocket is carefully erected into its vertical launch configuration. Final checks and inspections are performed, fuel lines are purged, and the launch team runs through countless simulations, preparing for every possible scenario. As the countdown clock ticks down, the atmosphere crackles with anticipation. The culmination of years of work, the dedication of countless individuals, all hinge on this moment. The world watches, holding its breath, as the final seconds tick away. Section 6. The human touch, passion and precision in every bolt. While the construction of a rocket relies heavily on cutting-edge technology and sophisticated machinery, it's important to remember that behind every successful launch lies the dedication, passion, and unwavering commitment of countless individuals. From the engineers who design the intricate systems to the technicians who meticulously assemble them, the human element is woven into the very fabric of rocket science. These are not just individuals performing tasks, they are dreamers, innovators, and problem solvers driven by a shared passion for pushing the boundaries of human exploration. They spend countless hours poring over blueprints, conducting simulations, and testing components, their every action guided by an unwavering commitment to precision and safety. The success of every launch is a testament to their collective effort, a symphony of human ingenuity and collaboration that transcends borders and unites people from all walks of life. It's a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, the human spirit, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, can achieve extraordinary things. Section 7. Conclusion. A testament to human ingenuity. The journey of a rocket, from its humble beginnings as a concept on a drawing board to its thunderous ascent into the cosmos, is a testament to the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity. It's a story of collaboration, innovation, and an unwavering pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Every successful launch serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us that even in a world often characterized by division and uncertainty, we are capable of achieving extraordinary things when we work together towards a common goal. The exploration of space, enabled by these magnificent machines, represents the very best of humanity. Our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. As we continue to reach for the stars, driven by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe, we can be certain that the spirit of innovation and collaboration that fuels rocket science will continue to inspire generations to come. The journey has just begun, and the future of space exploration is limited only by the scope of our imagination.